So my topic is journal and sensitivity, its definition, classification, characteristics, and type of disorder. Next, sensitivity, the state or a quality of being sensitive, often used to denote a state of a abnormal responsiveness to stimulation or of responding quick and acutely. The quality or a state of being sensitive, such as the capacity of organism or a sense organ to respond to the stimulation, that is irritability. The quality or a state of being hypersensitive, the degree to which a radio receiving set responds to incoming waves, the capacity of being easily hurt, awareness of a need and emotion of others. Next. Sensation can classify into two categories. First is general sensation and second is special sensation. In general sensation include touch, pain, temperature, proprioception, and pressure. In special sensation, vision, hearing, taste, and smell which convey sensation to the brain through cranial nerves. All the three type of sensation. Next. First is exteroceptive sensation, also termed as superficial sensation. The receptors in the skin and mucous membrane. Tactile or a touch sensation, that is synesthesia. Anesthesia, absence of a touch appreciation. Hypoesthesia, that is decrease of a touch appreciation. And hyperesthesia, that is exertion of a touch sensation which is often unpleasant. Pain sensation, that is algesia. And analgesia, absence of pain appreciation. Hypoalgesia, decrease of pain appreciation. Hyperalgesia, that is exertion of a pain appreciation which is often unpleasant. Next. Temperature sensation, both hot and cold thermesthesia. Thermoanalgesia is absence of a temperature appreciation. Thermhyperesthesia is a decrease of a temperature appreciation. And thermhyperesthesia is an exertion of a temperature sensation, which is often unpleasant. Sensory perversion. The paresthesia, abnormal sensation preserved without specific stimulation. They may tactile, thermal, or painful, or episodic or constant. Dysesthesia, painful sensation elicited by the non-painful cutaneous stimulus, such as light touch or gentle stroking over affected area of the body, sometimes referred to as hyperpathia or hyperalgesia, often preserved as an intense burning. Dysesthesia may outlast the stimulus by several seconds. Next. Pro- Proprioceptive sensation, also termed as deep sensation, the receptor located in the muscles, tendons, ligament, and joint. The joint position sense arthesthesia, absence in the described as such. Vibration sense, that is palesthesia, absence in described as such. And kinesthesia is perception of a muscular motion, usually not measured in routine clinical evaluation. Cortical sensory function, interpretive sensory function that require an analysis of individual sensory modality by the parental lobe to provide the discrimination. Individual sensory modality must be intact to measure cortical sensation. Stereogno- Stereognosis, ability to recognize and identify objects by feeling them. The absence of this ability is termed as astereognosis. The graphesthesia, ability to recognize symbol written on the skin. Absence of this ability is termed as graphenthesia. 2-point discrimination, ability to recognize stimulation simultaneously stimulation by two blunt points measured by the distance between the point required for recognition. Next. Characteristic of sensation. First is projection, second is intensity, third is contract, and fourth is adaptation. Sensory processing disorder. Sensory processing disorder is an ability to process information received through our senses for generating appropriate responses. The result of this is decreased ability to respond to the sensory information in order to behave in the meaningful and consistent way. Type of sensory processing disorders are: first is sensory modulation disorder, second is sensory discrimination disorder, and third is sensory based motor disorder. Next, sensory modulation disorder. The child experience the difficulty process sensory information into appropriate behavior or responses which match the intensity of the sensory information. There are three types of sensory modulation disorder. First is sensory over responsivity, sensory defensiveness. This is where children respond more intensely and faster for a long duration. Second is sensory under responsivity. These children show less of a response to the sensory input that would be expected for the situation. They take longer to respond and require more intense before they respond. Third is sensory seeking. These children have an intensity craving for sensory experiences and will actively seek this out, often in the ways that aren't matched and or appropriate to the environment. Next, sensory based motor disorder. This is where the children has trouble controlling planning and supporting their movement into a smooth or coordinated and sequence way. The two type of sensory based motor disorder are: first is dyspre- dyspraxia. These children may have difficulty processing sensory information to create physical, unfamiliar, or sequenced movement. Second is postural disorder. These children have difficulty maintaining enough control of their body to meet the demands of a given motor task. Third is sensory discrimination disorder. This is where the child experiences difficulty distinguishing between the similar sensation. They need additional time to process sensory information and capacity to perceive the information as quickly and naturally as other children do is reduced. Next, thank you for your attention.